figured I'd...
Oh, we got a problem.
What's that? What's
It's... No! No!
Clear up.
No black box in this one, I guess.
Nope.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Everything's old school direct connection to the receiver. Even the lights.
How's the trim?
Perfect.
G limit disengaged.
And straight.
Does tricks and everything.
Just like the original.
Gear down. 0.
Now, because of the wind, I don't think I'm going to use flaps. More power. Up, up. You got it. Yeah. Awesome.
I might cut short today too.
Clear up.
They had an armed guard, 2 armed guards sitting around the plane.
That thing is stable.
They called them the wobbling goblin.
Yeah.
G limit disengaged.
Show them you came by.
My memory's so bad, a lot of stuff like that. There was a 117 and none of them got shot.
Well, a lot of it they were shooting.
G limit
About
disengaged.
Vietnam War.
That.
25%.
Saved a lot of, certainly saved a lot
50%.
of Allied lives, and probably saved Japanese lives. Using napalm because they said it been humane, and they put cluster bombs like they're better.
Well, it's just like during
0.
Russia, Ukraine.
50 for 20 seconds.
Or all to hell, you know.
Oh, they'll have a...
Oh, no.
35%. 35%.